This year we're going to be focused on a 5-day event. I want to talk to you guys about a workshop for aspiring developers or people who are looking into getting more serious with their development skills. And really that is a fundamental course on our JavaScript. It's called Back to Basics JavaScript. What you're going to find as you're developing in JavaScript is that a lot of the frameworks that you use are made off a lot of presumptions. Those presumptions essentially are that you have an understanding of a lot of the fundamentals. So if I'm talking about Angular, I'm talking about TypeScript or CoffeeScript or Vue or React, there is a lot of assumptions and a lot of abstractions that are built on top of the fundamentals. So having a deeper understanding of those fundamentals really kind of positions you so that when things are not going the way you plan, or the things that don't quite make sense, you just kind of always have assumed those things to be in place. Well, that's where the fundamentals come into play. That's really where you help, clarify and transition the details behind what it is that you're doing. Even with long-standing frameworks like jQuery, who are doing DOM manipulations and all sorts of manipulations behind the scenes that you might not be so familiar with, it's really going to open you and expose you to what these things are built on. So what I'd like to recommend for any entry-level developer or people who are just interested in development in general, if you're a student or an aspiring student, if you're getting into engineering, all of these types of things with all of these different type of backgrounds, or maybe you're a professional who has always made the assumptions and just assumed certain things are the way they are. If you would like a deeper understanding and maybe a refresher course on your fundamentals, I think this is going to be a really good workshop for you because you're going to be able to truly understand why things are built the way they are.